Welcome back students to the second session of class 4 computer. Today we will see some information given through the small boxes. Those informations are very important, so you have to go through. These informations are given on page number 9. Let's see the first box. In the first box, information is given about CD. You know CDs are of two types, CDR and CDRW. Now let's see what is CDR and what is CDRW. Now CDR stands for compact disc recordable. This type of CD, once data written in CDR, you cannot change or you cannot erase. After finishing the writing in CDR, you are allowed only to see the data or read the data. You cannot erase or it cannot be erased. This is called CDR, compact disc recordable. Now CDRW. CDRW stands for compact disc rewritable. In this type of CD, you can erase and rewrite the data many times. That is why it is called CDRW, compact disc rewritable. In this type of CD, as I told, you can write, erase, again write, again erase. Means many times can be overwritten. This is called CDRW. So these are the CDs. CDs are of two types, CDR and CDRW. Questions can come from this box also. So that is why we are explaining this. Now let's move to the second box. What is given in second box? In the second box, information is given related to hard disk. Hard disk is invented by IBM team. IBM stands for International Business Machine. So hard disk is invented by IBM team led by Ray Johnson. That is why Mr. Ray Johnson is considered as the father of disk drives. Again I repeat, Ray Johnson is considered as the father of disk drive. Now move to the third box. What is written in third box? In third box, it is written in 1965, James Russell invented the compact disc. In 1965, James Russell invented the compact disc, means CD. So who invented? James Russell. James Russell invented the CD in 1965. However, the compact disc did not become popular until launched and mass manufactured by Philips in 1980. This is the information given in third box. Now let's move to the fourth box. What is given in fourth box? In fourth box, information is given about flash drive. Flash drive, already we have discussed what is flash drive. Flash drive, popularly known as pen drive. It is a secondary memory or external memory. Basically, it is used for transferring data from one computer to another. Now let's go to the main topic that is given in the fourth box. The flash drive was manufactured in early 2000. The flash drive was manufactured in early 2000 year. In the year 2000 by a company called Trek Technologies. The first flash drive at the name of the first flash drive was Disk 1 Key. The name of the first flash drive was Disk 1 Key. This is the information about the flash drive or pen drive. So now let's go through the quick review of the first session of video. If you have missed, let's see. In the first session we have discussed about data and information. What is data? Data is unorganized fact and figures. Means whatever we enter, the meaningless data, the meaningless things, either it is a digit, it is a number, it is an alphabet, that is called data. Data is unorganized fact and figures. Now information. After processing the data, the result what we get. After processing the data, the result what we get, that is called information. The meaningful result is called information. Now second is memory. What is memory? And types of memory. We have already discussed that memory is of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as main memory or internal memory, and secondary memory is also known as external memory. Now primary memory. Primary memory is divided into two parts, RAM and ROM. Both are the chips. RAM is a temporary memory and ROM is permanent memory. RAM stands for RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read only memory. RAM is a temporary memory. Data stored in RAM gets erased when the power goes off or when you shut down the computer. And ROM is a permanent memory. Data is not lost even when the power is off or you shut down the computer. Now secondary memory. All the storage devices are the examples of secondary memory. For example, hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, memory card, these are the examples of secondary memory. Hard disk is the main storage device of computer. It is fixed inside the CPU box. Now CD stands for compact disk. CDs are of two types, CD-R and CD-RW. CD-R stands for compact disk recordable. You are allowed to write the data one time, only one time in the CD-R. Once the data written in CD-R, it cannot be erased. Now second type of CD is CD-RW. Full form is compact disk rewritable. In this type of CD, you can write and erase many times. CD-R and CD-RW both are secondary storage devices. Now next is pen drive. It is also known as flash drive. It is also example of secondary memory. It is a storage device. Basically it is used for transferring data or carrying data. Now next is DVD. DVD stands for digital video disc or digital versatile disc. It is also an example of external memory or storage device. Storage capacity of a DVD is from 4.7 GB to 17 GB. Now next is memory card. Basically it is used in mobile phones or digital cameras. In this chapter, students, many full forms are there. For example, RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read only memory. Now CD stands for compact disc. DVD stands for digital video disc or digital versatile disc. Now CD-R compact disc recordable, CD-RW compact disc rewritable. Now one storage device we have just missed, that is Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc also a secondary storage device. It is used mainly to store high quality games, videos, etc. Storage capacity of a Blu-ray disc is up to 128 GB. This was the first session what we had before this video. Now in this video we have already seen some information given through the small boxes in page number 9. The first one, again I am repeating, the first box is related to CD. CDs are of two types, CD-R and CD-RW. CD-R compact disc recordable. Once data written in CD-R, it cannot be erased. Second one is CD-RW, stands for compact disc rewritable. In this type of CD, you can erase and write data many times. Now moving to the second box again. Second box is related to hard disk. Hard disk was invented by IBM team. Full form of IBM is International Business Machine. So hard disk, as I told just now, hard disk was invented by IBM team led by Ray Johnson. That is why Ray Johnson is considered as father of disk drives. Now the third box. Third box is related to CD. It is said that James Russell is invented the CD. What is written in the third box? In the third box it is written, in 1965, James Russell invented the compact disc. Now the fourth box. Fourth box is related to flash drive or pen drive. What is written in flash drive? The first flash drive was manufactured in early 2000 by a company called Trek Technologies. Even IBM manufactured their first flash drive at the same time by the name of Disk1 Key. This is the main content of this first chapter. We will get the assignment related to these boxes also. Now let's see the quick recap which is given on page number 10. Data is unorganized fact and figures, and processed data is known as information. The devices which help us in storing the data permanently are called storage devices. A computer works only with the two digits which are 0 and 1. These two digits are known as binary digits or bits. Hard disk, CDs, DVD, Blu-ray disc and memory cards are the example of secondary storage devices. Internal memory and external memory. Internal memory is the built-in memory designed to store data and instructions while the computer is working. So internal memory is essential for the computer. Without internal memory, computer cannot work. Now external memory. External memory is also known as secondary memory. All the storage devices are external memory. Without external memory, computer can work, but you cannot store many things for your future use. So this is also not compulsory but needed. Internal memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM is known as temporary memory or volatile memory. Why? Because the data stored in RAM gets erased as soon as you turn off the computer or power goes off. RAM is also compared with a blackboard where you can erase and rewrite many times. And RAM is also compared with calculator where data exists till the calculator is on. Because as soon as you turn off the computer, data erased from the RAM also. That is why RAM is also compared with calculator. Now hard disk, CD, DVDs, Blu-ray disc and memory cards are the examples of storage devices which are permanent memory. I hope this chapter is clear for you. If you have any doubt, anything to ask, please write down in the comment section. Thank you for watching.